Once, there was a white insurance salesman on his way to Nashville when his car ran out of gas. He pulled off the road and flagged down the first car to come along. Unfortunately, it was a stolen one, full of a gang of hoods. They stabbed him, robbed him, and left him by the side of the interstate for dead. The first person to come along was the president of a very large Southern denomination. When he saw the victim, he said,
"Dear Lord, thank you that in your sovereignty you have appointed the state troopers to take care of these kinds of situations."
The next vehicle to come along was a $180,000 tour bus, owned by a hot gospel quartet. It had wall-to-wall carpeting, 2 color televisions, and a Coca-Cola machine. They were brushing up their big hit for the year.
Well, there ain't no busy signals on the hotlines of God.
So when they saw
there ain't no bad batteries in our Savior's hot rod.
And why?
There's always fertilizer in the Holy Spirit's sod. And there ain't no busy signals on the hotlines of God. No, there ain't no busy signals on the hot line to God.
Hey, y'all want to hear the flip side?
we gotta go.
Oh, hey, y'all want to hear the flip side? Hey, they want to hear the flip side.
Spitball me, Lord, over the home plate of life. Want to strike out the devil, not strike out with my wife. I want the great umpire to call out the cause of care and strife. So spitball me, Lord, spitball me, Lord, oh, spitball me, Lord, over the home plate of life. Spitball me, Lord, over the home plate of life.
Well, when they saw the salesman sprawled out by the road, they put the pedal to the metal.
Clean up that mess, Lord.